Civic administrators around the globe are discovering a simple yet powerful tool to keep their communities informed. It's called Media Extreme, and it makes managing a community television channel so easy that anyone with basic computer knowledge can control and schedule content. Now you can keep your public informed on events, community news, even weather advisories and other up-to-the-minute emergency information with a few simple strokes at the keyboard. Media Extreme plays all kinds of media, video, sound, graphics, or text from virtually any source. It displays whatever content you need. Looped messages, scrolled announcements, DVD programs, other cable channel feeds, or even sponsors' messages, which can help you cover the cost of this amazing tool. Key West Technology gives you power to communicate through closed circuit, broadcast, or internet. To split the screen into zones for maximum impact and information delivery. To import community programming and internet news content. Placing and scheduling your information is as easy as drag and drop. What really sets Key West Technology apart is our exclusive Total Care warranty. With Total Care, your hardware and software support are absolutely free for the first year and renewable every year after that. Total Care gives you total access to knowledgeable Key West technicians via telephone, email, or live chat, wherever you are worldwide. Key West Technology makes it easy to deliver up-to-the-minute information and pre-scheduled programming where you need it, when you need it. Welcome to the revolution. Media Extreme from Key West Technology.